Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I am going to teach you a question and answer it. The question is, where do you live? Where do you live? நீங்கள் எங்கே வசிக்கிறீர்கள்? நீங்கள் எங்கே வசிக்கிறீர்கள்? ඔයා කොහෙද ජීවත් වන්නේ? ඔයා කොහෙද ජීවත් වන්නේ? Answer for that. I live in London. I live in London. நான் லண்டனில் வசிக்கிறேன். நான் லண்டனில் வசிக்கிறேன். මම ජීවත් වෙන්නේ ලන්ඩනයේ. මම ජීවත් වෙන්නේ ලන්ඩනයේ. Thank you for joining today's class. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.